What's up guys, it's your boy John. We are back again here with another video. Just gonna do a quick video on putting some hood dampers on the Integra Type S. Now, links down below if you guys were interested. Hardware is pretty simple. These are the dampers. I think it's gonna go something like this. And yeah, it's carbon fiber. Pretty cool. Pretty simple. The shock mount right here, one of these bolts. And then you put one bolt up top, and that's it. It's gonna be a quick video today. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to install it. I did that side already. I'm gonna show you how to do this side. So for the back of this, we're gonna use this tool that's included. And we're just gonna fish this to the back of there, and we just kind of do that. That way it can screw on. And also you can get the washer that's also provided, and you kind of sandwich it right here. That way it has plenty of surface to clamp it on. So we just gotta put it under there, like this. Screw it on. All right, once it starts grabbing, it's just held by tape, so you just pull on it. And now you have your top mount, and the bottom mount is pretty easy again. And the bottom is a lot simpler. You just unbolt this and you bring it out. Nothing too complicated here. Alright, so with everything installed, you got something like this. Has that dampening effect. Clothes looks a lot more luxurious. It's definitely it frees up that hood prop look, and then the carbon fiber definitely gives it a nice spicy look. Kind of matches the faux carbon fiber thing. It just cleans it up, making it look a little more luxurious. I say it does sit higher than the factory location, just a wee bit. Can't really show that, but it sits like a little bit higher, not that much higher. You can still actually use the hood prop and the struts. And as closing it, it is a lot stronger. So let me see if I can show you this. So use two hands. I mean, it kind of behaves the way it should. Fitment looks great. Fitment looks great. Then of course, I can pull up the thing again just to show y'all how it is one more time. You have to release the latch. But yeah, if you guys were interested in some product, it's on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.